Welcome to rpeaceacademy.com. Today we are going to know about classification of verb. Verb is the chief part of a sentence. It tells what the subject is, what the subject does, what the subject has, and what happened to the subject. Here the example. Raghu is a teacher. In this sentence, it says the state or position of the subject. In this sentence, Raghu is the subject and the verb is represents the position or the situation of the subject Raghu. In the next example, Soumya wrote a letter. In this sentence, the verb wrote says the work of the subject, what the subject Soumya did in the sentence. In the next example, Amar has 2 pens. In this sentence, the verb has says the possession of the subject. It is possession. Possession means ownership. What the subject has is denoted in this sentence. Amar is the subject and has is the verb, and it says what the subject has. Next example, the snake was killed by Sri Ram. In this sentence, the subject is the snake. It was killed by Sri Ram. What happened to the snake? It was killed. Was killed is the verb, and it says something is done to the subject. That's why the verb is the chief part of a sentence, and it tells what the subject is, what the subject does, what the subject has, and what happened to the subject. And now we are going to know about the classification of the verb. Verbs are divided into 2 types. Those are helping verbs and main verbs. Now let us know about them in detail. Helping verb. Helping verbs are also called auxiliaries. There are 3 types: main auxiliaries, modal verbs, semi-modal verbs. Let us discuss one by one. The first one is main auxiliaries. Sometimes they can appear without main verb. That's why those are called main auxiliaries. Those are to be, to do, and to have. First one is to be. This main auxiliary can be revealed the position or situation or the state of the subject. It can be appeared in various forms based on the person and number of the subject and also on the tense of the verb. The different forms of be are am, is, was, are, were, be, been, being. We will discuss these things in detail in the later videos. The next main auxiliary is to do. This verb is also used based on the person and number of the subject and also based on the tense of the verb. These are do, does, did, done, doing. And the next one is to have. It is also used in the same way based on the person and the number of the subject and also the tense of the verb. The other forms are have, has, had, having. The next kind of helping verbs is modal verbs. They have meaning connected with the degrees of certainty and necessity. Those are will, shall, can, may. These modal verbs have their past forms also. For example, would is the past form of will. Like that, should is the past form of shall. Could is the past form of can, and might is the past form of may. One more modal verb is also there, that is must. We will discuss the uses of these modal verbs in later videos. And the next and last type of helping verbs is semi-modal verbs. These semi-modal verbs have some meaning related to the main modal verbs. Those are used, dare, need, ought. All these semi-modal verbs will be used with a preposition after that, that is to. We can use them as used to, dare to, need to, and ought to. These are the types of helping verbs. And next we are going to know about main verb. Main verbs are also called principal verbs. These are divided into several types. These main verbs are divided into mainly two types. Those are finite verbs and non-finite verbs. Finite verbs are again divided into two types. Those are transitive verbs and intransitive verbs. The non-finite verbs are three types. Those are infinitive, participle, and gerund. Again, the infinitive is divided into two types. That is, true infinitive and plain infinitive. Participle is divided into present participle and past participle. There is no classification for gerund. These are all main verbs. In this video, we came to know about the classification of verbs. Verbs are divided into two types. Those are helping verbs and main verbs. Helping verbs are again divided into three types. Those are main auxiliaries, modal verbs, and semi-modal verbs. Main auxiliaries are to be, to do, and to have. And modal verbs are will, shall, can, and may, and also must. Semi-modal verbs are used to, dare to, need to, ought to. And finally, main verbs or principal verbs are divided into several types. Those are finite verbs and non-finite verbs. Finite verbs are again divided into transitive and intransitive. Non-finite verbs are divided into infinitive, participle, and gerund. Infinitives are two types. Those are true infinitive and plain infinitive. Participles are two types. Those are present participle and past participle. That is all about classification of verb, and we will discuss in detail the uses of these verbs in upcoming videos. For that, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.